Today we were opening Mechanized Magic, 40 Years of Garner Holt in San Bernardino County. The exhibit is all about the creativity, the inspiration for what the Garner Holt Company has done in 4 decades in this area, including to really be the leader in animatronics in the world, really.
I was 16 when I started the company and incorporated the state of California here as Garner Holt Productions. And yeah, it was something I think I knew immediately. I guess I knew what I wanted to do the rest of my life.
The creativity behind things moving. It's how to take a drawing from conception to a mechanized machine that Garner Holt's company has made look human, or they're a caricature of something. We have a Hershey bar, animatronic Hershey bar in the exhibit. We have a pirate. We have Chuck E. Cheese. So those things start with a drawing or a concept, and with the creativity of sculptors, designers, and engineers become something 3D and physical.
Starts out with art, starts out with development of the character and design of the character and a lot of artwork. You know, the art gets into the colors and the look of the skin and everything else, and then we combine that with mechanics that cause things to move, you know, hydraulics and pneumatics that are operated by computers that allow the figures to move and function like machines, real robot type characters. And animatronic characters are kind of what we call the illusion of life, you know, bringing something to life that is not real, but we want to make it look real.
We're at the San Bernardino County Museum celebrating the magic of Garner Holt on another edition of Out and About with Roger Martin.